What's up, y'all? It's your girl, comedian Nicole Bunch, back with another one. Your girl done made it over here to Norfolk, child. I'm over here at the Granby Street Glow Juice Bar. And let me tell you, the whole place was a vibe. I'm talking about decorum and all. I absolutely loved it. They had the DJ and every ready to rock. So let's see what they hitting on.
I got a bottle of water. So, bougie, you know what I mean? I like it already.
As you can see here, I'm absolutely loving the spot, admiring how big and beautiful it is. I absolutely love it here. So while I'm about to wait to sing karaoke, wait for my food or whatever, I'm going to do my thing on the karaoke stage. I know I love a good karaoke. So like, let's get it. Let's get it. I love it here. I love it here. Okay, now let's get into the food. We got catfish nuggets and tater tots. And this here is a wet chicken sandwich dipped in Hennessy sauce, spinach, cheese, tomatoes. I don't like mayo. So they made sure they gave me my condiments as well as my utensils. Look at them catfish nuggets. I'm ready to dig in. So like, let's get into it. So this is a late night review. I shouldn't even be eating this late, but we got us some catfish nuggets here. You got some sauce. Hot out the grease. Hot out the grease. Fine. So I got my hot sauce pack for my catfish nuggets. Let's see what they're hitting on.
You tried it?
Not yet. I wish it had a little bit more seasoning. Don't get me wrong. It's fried to perfection. I taste the lemon pepper. I don't know, maybe. Oh. We can call this a pig bite because the seasoning sneaks up on you. It's very seasoned. Yeah. Most definitely, yeah. Tater tot? Yeah. You can't beat a tater tot out of the grease. It is a wet sandwich. Hold on a second. It is a wet sandwich. It comes with cheese, spinach, Hennessy sauce, and tomato. Oh, that's fire. It's a lot of flavors going on. A lot of flavors going on. Absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10. Try that with another tater tot. You can even taste the Hennessy. Hit that with my smoothie. Everything works together. I give everything. The establishment, the food, the customer service, 10 out of 10. I strongly suggest y'all come here. Come get you some. And it's on soft bread. Fire. The spinach set it off. Everything is made to order. Mr. Brad cooks it himself. If you're not doing anything, make sure you come down here to Norfolk, off Granby Street, to the Juice Bar. Tonight is karaoke night.
Junior Watanabe on my